Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I will discuss the derivative of logarithmic function and exponential function. Both are related to exercise 2.6. This is the most important topic of intermediate FSC part 2. So start the first of all the derivative of exponential function. So exponential function is exponential function if y is equal to e raised to power x or e raised to power any function, e raised to power a function. So the derivative of exponential function, y is dependent, x is independent, so the derivative dy over dx will be e raised to power f of x as it is, and multiply with the derivative of a function f of x. Okay student, it means if here y is equal to a raised to power x, so the derivative of this function will be e raised to power x multiply with the derivative of x, and the derivative of x is 1. Okay, so the derivative of exponential function is remain itself and then multiply with the derivative of a function which is involved in a power in a exponential form. Okay students, got it? And if exponential function, the first type and then second type of exponential function is if y is equal to a raised to power x. So what is the derivative of this type of exponential function student? It means the derivative of this dy over dx is equal to a raised to power x as it is and multiply with the ln of base. This is the derivative of this function. Okay, this is the first type and this is the second type of exponential function. And the next is the derivative of logarithmic function. If y is equal to logarithmic function, it means natural logarithm. Y is equal to ln of x. ln natural log, dy over dx, ln of x is 1 over x and then multiply with the derivative of x which is 1. So it means when in any function of ln is appear, then it becomes, for example, y is equal to ln of any function so the derivative of a function will be dy over dx is 1 over function multiply with the derivative of f of x. Okay, and this is the simple two functions, exponential and the logarithmic function, logarithm of base 10 natural log. If any other log, it means a common log. The second type is a common log. Common log, you know about the common logarithm. Common logarithm is a base of 10 the y is equal to, if y is equal to log of x to base a, if this function is given, then the dy over dx will be one over x, similar to this one, x multiply with 1 over ln of base. And if here any other function of x, then the derivative of this 1 over f of x multiply 1 over ln of base, then multiply with the derivative of a function. But these two types of exponential and these two types of logarithmic function, but in this lecture, in exercise 2.6 and in this lecture, I will discuss only this type of question, exponential function, and this natural log ln of f function. Okay students, let's move to exercise 2.6. Yes students, just start exercise 2.6, question number 1. Question number 1 is, find f prime of x. What is f prime? F prime is the derivative of f. F is a function, so find the derivative of a function. So first part is f of x is equal to e raised to power square root x minus 1. This is the first question, first function. Find the derivative of this question. Differentiate with respect to x, f prime of x. Here student, e is exponential, so the derivative of exponential is e raised to power square root x minus 1 as it is, then multiply with the derivative of a function x square root minus 1. E raised to power square root x minus 1 as it is, and here x square root, you know student, x square root means x raised to power 1 by 2. 1 by 2, it means it becomes, in start it become a multiple, then x 1 by 2 minus 1, and the power decrease by 1, and the derivative of 1 is 0. So it is 1 by 2 x raised to power minus 1 by 2, which becomes square root in denominator due to negative in power. Okay students, and then final result is e raised to power square root x minus 1 divided by 2 into square root x is f prime of x. This one. This is very simple question, easy question. I hope you understand this. So next move the second question. The second question is f prime is f of x is x raised to power 3 into e raised to power 1 over x. X raised to power 3 into e raised to power 1 over x. Here student, these are two functions, x raised to power 3 and e raised to power 1 over x, and two functions in form of multiply in form of product, so we use product rule of derivative. F prime of x is dy over dx x raised to power 3 and e raised to power 1 over x. Here, by using the product rule, the derivative of first term second as it is, and the derivative of second term first as it is. Okay student, we already discussed in previous lecture. Plus, so the derivative of x cube and e raised to power 1 by x as it is. The derivative of exponential function is as it is, exponential function as it is, and then next the derivative of a second term. And then the derivative of x cube, power becomes multiple and power decrease by 1, it means 3x square. Here, this is f prime. Here 1 over x, the derivative of 1 over x means students x raised to power minus 1, and x raised to power minus 1 means x minus 1 and x raised to power minus 2. And this is this is x, and here x square, it becomes in denominator minus 1 it's become in start. X cube, x square cancel with each other, it means, and arrange due to negative term and positive term. So first we write this form in first, minus x cube, x square cancel with each other, it means student x is left and e is raised to power 1 over x. For simplification, student x square, x is common, e raised to power 1 over x, e raised to power 1 over x. It means e raised to power 1 over x and x both are common. So take x and e raised to power 1 over x as a common term. So here 3x minus x common, this one common, minus 1. Here student, this is the second part of question number 1. I hope you understand this, and but if you have any problem you can mention in comment. So next move to next question. The third part is f of x is e raised to power x into 1 plus e raised to power x into 1 plus ln of x. Here students, here both type of functions are given in this question, exponential as well as logarithmic. So these are This is a single term, this is a single term, both are in form of product. So differentiate with respect to x. By using product rule. Okay, product rule, because these are two in form of product. F prime of x. Okay students, so apply. First and all, the derivative of exponential function, this term as it is, and the derivative of this term exponential as it is. 1 plus ln of x remains same, and then derivative of exponential function plus exponential function remains same, and then derivative of this one. 1 plus ln of x as it is, and the derivative of exponential function is exponential function as it is, and the derivative of x, which is 1. So no need to write this one. 1 e raised to power x as it is, and then derivative of this. Here student, 1, the derivative of 1 is 0, plus ln of x, the derivative of ln of x. So ln of x, the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x, it means 1 over function, then derivative of x, x is 1. Okay sir. Students, then open the bracket, simplify, this is a prime of this function, then simplify it and find the final result of this question. e raised to power x here, e raised to power x divided by x, because 0 plus 0, no need for this, and 1 over x multiply by this one, it means so e raised to power x over x, and then multiply this e raised to power x, e raised to power x, e raised to power x. Okay, you can take common, and then final result e raised to power x, take common, 1 plus ln of x plus 1 over x. 1 plus ln of x, x is LCM, so it multiply with this and plus 1. This one, this is the simplified form. Okay, I hope you understand this, but if you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. E raised to power x, it means exponential function, 1 plus ln x into x plus 1 divided by x. This is a exponential function, derivative of this exponential function. So next, move to next question. Yes students, next question, part number 4 of question number 1. The fourth part is find the derivative of a function f of x is, this is a question form, division form, e raised to power x divided by e raised to power minus x plus 1, e raised to power x divided by e raised to power minus x plus 1. Okay student, so differentiate with respect to x and follow the division quotient rule. Differentiate with respect to x, f prime of x. e raised to power x divided by e raised to power minus x plus 1. Okay, so by quotient rule, okay, apply quotient rule. You discussed in previous lecture. This is not e power x, only e power x. According to quotient rule, first and all, the derivative of numerator and denominator will be remain same, minus the numerator remains same and the derivative multiply with the derivative of denominator, and then whole denominator is square of denominator. Okay, so first and all, this one, so whole square of denominator. Okay, so use the derivative of numerator, denominator as it is. It means denominator as it is first, and then derivative of numerator minus the second term is numerator as it is, and then derivative of denominator. So students, here e raised to power minus x plus 1, and the derivative of e raised to power x is this one, minus e raised to power x remains same, and here the derivative of e raised to power minus x is minus x, and then derivative of power, it means minus 1, and plus the derivative of 1 is 0. Understand? I hope you understand. So next, this is the prime of this function. So simplify it and then get a final result. E raised to power x multiply with this e raised to power plus e raised to power x multiply with 1. Here minus plus, and e raised to power x into e raised to power minus x, and the denominator is e raised to power minus x plus 1 whole square. So you know, when two number multiply with the same basis, then power will be add. So e raised to power x multiply e raised to power minus x, it means e raised to power x minus x, and then final result is e raised to power 0. E raised to power 0 means 1, because any number have power 0, exponential power 0, it means it becomes 1. 1 plus e raised to power x plus 1 and e raised to power minus x plus 1 whole square, and then final result will be 1 plus 1 2 e raised to power x, and then final is 2 plus e raised to power x divided by 1 plus e raised to power minus x whole square. Yes student, this is the final result. I hope you understand, but you have any problem then you can mention in comment. Okay, I will try my best to discuss in next lecture. So move to next question. Yes student, next question, part number 8, and all remaining parts are similar to first 4, and this part is very tricky, therefore I attempt here. So check it. Find the derivative f prime. The 8th part is function is given f of x is the ln of natural logarithm ln of square root of exponential function e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x. Here student, this is a most important and it is a little bit a tricky question, the tricky step at the end, so check it. Differentiate with respect to x. He focus on this question, concentrate on this question. E raised to power square root means 1 by 2. Okay student. So first and foremost, ln, natural logarithm. The derivative of natural logarithm, you know, 1 over x, 1 over function. Here the derivative of ln of function, it means 1 over a function. Function is minus 2x raised to power 1 by 2. Okay, 1 over function. Students, focus. 1 over 2. It becomes not a minus 1 over 2. It remains 1 by 2 because this is only apply the formula of ln, the derivative of ln. Okay, 1 over a function, the whole function remains same without any change, any single sign of change. Then multiply with the derivative of a function. Function is this, e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x and then whole power 1 by 2. E raised to power 2x, e raised to power minus 2x, 1 by 2, it remains same. But here 1 by 2, the derivative of this 1 by 2 power it become a multiple and decrease by 1. So it means 1 by 2 e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x and then whole power becomes 1 by 2 minus 1, multiply the derivative of inner function. Be concentrate on this question, this is very important. Here student, this is a composite question. Function, inside the function, inside the function. Then it becomes 1 over e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x, 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2. This one students, 1 by 2 minus 1, it becomes negative, also in denominator. Okay, here e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x, e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x, both are same, and multiply with each other. It means power add 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 over 2, sorry, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Here the derivative of this. The derivative of this is, the derivative of exponential function is this, multiply with the derivative of power 2. E raised to power minus 2x, and then derivative of power minus 2x means minus 2. Here student. Okay, I hope you understand all these all type of steps. This is a prime of x. So take simplify. 2 e raised to power 2x minus plus minus 2 e raised to power minus 2x, and then whole divide by this power and this, both terms are same, and multiply with each other. So 2, this one, and power 1 by 2, 1 by 2 add with each other. Okay, bases are same and multiply with each other, it means power add each other. Here student, 2, both 2 take common. Here student, 2 cancel with each other, and then final result is this. Okay, this one. Think, focus this time. What is this? E raised to power 2x minus e raised to power 2x, e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x. What is this? You study in first year, FSC part 1, hyperbolic function. Hyperbolic function, what is hyperbolic function? If e theta minus e theta divided by e theta plus divided by theta, which is equal to tan hyperbolic of theta. According to this rule, you can also write this tan hyperbolic, and theta is 2x. Here student, and this is a final result, and this is a main step, very important. Okay, this shape, this is also a MCQs and then main part of a question as well. I hope you understand today's lecture, but if you have any problem in this, any step, any question, you can mention in comments and I will discuss in next lecture. If you like my lecture, so like it, and also subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe until now, and press bell icon for upcoming notification of upcoming lectures. Thank you for watching. Take care.